How to turn on two-factor authentication for Etsy. Now, if you want to turn on two-factor authentication for Etsy, just simply open any of the browser that you use and search Etsy seller in there. Then this first link of etsy.com will appear in the very top. Simply open it, which will open the section of etsy.com/sell. Now in here, you need to tap into your profile from the top right side, tap into that and then tap to account settings. After tapping in the account settings page, you will see the option of security. Tap to security option, and once you tap to security option, scroll down until you see the option of two-factor authentication, which is set to off. Now in order to turn it on, tap to turn 2FA on. Then after that, you can choose what do you want to use in order to use your two-factor authentication in Etsy. You can use Authenticator app, SMS and phone call. Simply select any of those methods and tap to continue. And after that, you can very easily download application like Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator and other authenticators and set that up. Just simply tap to continue. And after that, you just simply need to scan this QR code or copy this code right here and paste it to the Authenticators app that you are using. You just simply get the option to scan this QR code in there, scan that, and the app will provide you a 6-digit code and enter that in this box and tap to confirm. Then after doing this much, your authentication will be enabled, and this is how you can very easily enable 2FA in Etsy. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.